Hi people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm preparing our pumpkin rice, and to begin with, step one, we first cut our pumpkin. As you can see, yeah, it's normally very hard. I did this process a bit earlier, but you cut it like that, then you scoop out the pumpkin. As you can see, and that's our first step. So this is our pumpkin. As you see, when we remove all the pumpkin seeds. That is our pumpkin. Our step two, on a hot pan, put in our meat. I'm preparing our rice with meat, and we put in our onions. Keep seasoning, and then we keep stirring. So as our onions turn goldish brown, we put in our tomatoes now, as you can see. And keep stirring so the tomatoes can get ready. So as our tomatoes are almost ready, we're going to put in our pilau masala and coriander. This is pilau masala, as you can see. Put in a little bit of coriander. And just sprinkle like that. So you're cooking according to the amount of rice you're cooking. The quantity. And now we're preparing our banana, our wombo. The wombo is made out of banana leaves. We smoke it, as you can see. Until it gets to that goldish brownish color. So this is already the wombo, as you can see. After smoking it from the banana leaves. So here we are going to mix our rice with our fried meat. You can see this is boiled rice. This is halfway boiled rice. So I'm using long grain rice, halfway boiled rice. You don't boil it to the point that it's all cooked. You just half boil it, and then you mix it to the ingredients, as you can see. So our first step, we're going to put this rice into the pumpkin, as you can see. As you can see, we cover it. Yeah, so step 5, we're putting our pumpkin rice into the roll we made, as you can see. And we're covering it now, as you can see. As a reminder, I said we do this so that we protect water from entering our pumpkin. So far, pumpkin rice is ready and it's ready to serve, as you can see it. Yeah, this is already pumpkin rice. Yeah, so we serve our pumpkin rice, as you can see. Now already. Yeah. Like that, we're ready to serve. Ready to serve and eat.